What it is, what's up everybody? It's been so long since I've done a sit down video. So yeah, I kind of forgot like how this goes. This video is gonna be about, yes, y'all read the title, how a broke bitch ding affords designer clothes. Because I know y'all be asking me, what do I do for a job? Like, what do you do for a job? What do you do for money? What do you work as? Blah blah blah. Is YouTube your only job? And the answer is no. If I literally only worked on YouTube and all my income came from YouTube, I would literally be broke. Like, I'd be like living on the street. You don't make a lot of money off YouTube, especially being a small YouTuber like me. So just to get that out of the way, my money is not made on YouTube. I do make a little spare coin on YouTube, like very little, like chump change. I do have a full-time job outside of YouTube. This is just kind of like a hobby. But I work as a home health aide. I don't know if you guys know this, but the majority of my college career, I was leaning towards a health field, and then I decided to change my mind and follow my dream and pursue a fashion influenced field. I do work taking care of the elderly and, you know, that kind of stuff. So that's where the majority of my income, if not all my income, comes from. And then I just have like little side things like Depop and YouTube and like my styling on the side. But like my main income is from my full-time job. Basically, at the end of the day, I'm not broke, but I do pay for a lot of shit making me broke. So at the end of the day, broke bitch is me. Next thing is, how does a broke bitch like me afford all these designer garments, gems, accessories, bags, sunglasses, all these things? So I do have some of my designer things here, you know, here. And I'm gonna just show y'all and talk a little bit about them because I wanna help y'all out. You know what I mean? Like, ain't no one put me on, but I'm about to put y'all on because that's what girls do. How I get away with it is not all my shit is 100% authentic. I'd be lying if I said it was. So let me just get that out of the way first, because y'all know I am not spending coins and coins and coins on stuff that I'm just gonna wear once, twice, 3 times. You know what I mean? I understand that it's kind of robbing the designer because they're a designer, they're putting out, you know, these clothes and they need the revenue back, and like, you know, it's kind of like cheating them of that. That's where it gets tricky. At the end of the day, they have so much fucking money. I don't have so much fucking money. So it's like, should I spend my little bit of coins to make their pockets fatter, or should I keep my pockets fat? Okay, kind of, you know, chubby, not really fat, but certain things, like I would never get like knockoff of like a small designer, but I do have real designer. Like, don't get it twisted, I'm not like 100% just a fraud. Let's keep that in mind, okay? I think I'll go through the things that are real first, and I'll explain to you why I chose to invest in these pieces instead of just buying knockoffs of these pieces. The first real thing that I want to make sure y'all know, and don't get it twisted, is my Bape hoodie, and is the Swarovski crystal embellished Bape hoodie. And I copped this at Cop vs Drop, I believe, in the city. It does have the little Bape thingy, where is it at, on the sleeve. So yeah, this one is legit because they authenticate all their stuff before they sell it to you. I had to cop a real Bape hoodie because I'm from New York. Everyone knows fake Bape from real Bape. To get caught in fake Bape in New York City, that's a no-no. It was $400, I think like $420 with tax or something like that. So I mean, like, it's a lot, but it's not like whoa. Same with these. There's like hypebeasts everywhere. Like, that's just a New York kind of thing, full of hypebeasts. So you can't wear fake Bape, fake Supreme, fake Palace, fake none of that type of shit. I actually copped these when I was in Miami, and I got them at round 2. They still have the tag, I haven't worn them, but they were a small and they were $200. Things like round 2 also authenticate their shit before like they put them on the racks. Like, you're not gonna find fake shit there. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm not gonna wear them a lot, but I think they hold that resale value. And that's also an important thing when you're copying something. Like, you want to make sure, like, if worst comes to worst, you can sell it and get your money back, or at least a large percentage of it. Make sure you choose wisely what you're gonna invest your money on, because it is an investment. Like, you can get your money back, if not more, because once these babies sell out, they go extinct. Like, they drop off the face of the earth. So if you have it, someone's gonna want it. These babies right here, these are my Bape studs, and I don't get a lot of wear out of these babies. I just it's more of like a collector's item in my eyes. Like, I love having these in my collection, and once again, these do hold resale value. If I do want to get rid of them later down the line, I will be able to. And these hoes they were $2 something, maybe like $2.30, $2.50. I copped these in the Babe store in Soho. A quick little shout out, I did get that little baby Milo. Let me bring him out. I'm sure someone will want to buy this. Like, who wouldn't want this? Like, he's so cute with his little shark hoodie, you know, he's styling out here. I also want to throw out there, you don't have to wear designer to be fly. It's just sometimes the designer adds this like abstract kind of unique element to an outfit that you wouldn't get from like an Air Force One or like a generic shoe or like a generic piece, you know what I mean? And you guys know firsthand, you've seen that one guy with brands head to toe, but his outfit is whack as hell and he looks like a goofball because he just spent like $3,000 on a fit and he still looks like trash. Don't be that dude, okay? The next two things are Off-White. The box, Off-White Nike collab. These are the Nike Zoom Fly in this hot pink color. Actually, I have a picture on Instagram where I was wearing it with this exact shirt. I wore them in DC and they look like this. These I copped at round 2, was it? Yeah, round 2, but in New York. I think these were $400. Last thing I wanted to discuss, Jordan Off-White. These are my Jordan 1s, and I feel like I talked about these so many times in the past because these are actually my gem sneakers. They were a UK drop only, I believe. Like, they never dropped in the US. But don't they remind you of like the what is that movie called? Back to the Future shoe. I've gotten so much wear out of these shoes. These hoes I paid $1,400. And I do admit that was a little crazy on my end, but I did have money saved up and I was working really hard at that time, and I just thought I would treat myself and spoil myself to at least one higher end designer piece. Once again, like I was saying, it's an investment. I could always resell it. You guys look these shoes up on Grilled or Goat or StockX. They're literally going for like $2,000. Like, no joke. There's so much money. I literally found this last item, and this is also authentic, and it was just in the back of my closet. Like, I literally just found it just now because I forgot all about it because it's so tiny. This is a real Gucci bag also, and this one I copped off Depop, which is another smart way to shop designer because you can negotiate and you can find stuff for the low. So this I only spent $120 on. That's all the designer I own, and as you can see, it was what, 1 2 3 4 5, literally 5 things, and I don't buy them often. So the way I can afford these kind of things is like I'll just splurge every once in a while, every so often. Like, if anything, for my birthday and for Valentine's Day I splurge, and after that, that's it. Like, I'm not buying a shoe for no reason. No, like, I know my limits. I'm not just gonna run around and be like, oh, what designer am I copping today? No, bitch, because I know I'm gonna stay in my lane and stick to my little thrifts. Once I have like a few dollars set up, then I'm gonna be like, alright, like, I kind of had my eyes on these for a while. I think I might just do it, and if I find my size, I know it's meant to be. I spend money on pieces that are like timeless, that I don't feel like are just gonna be like a fast fashion, a quick trend. They're gonna be in and, oh, sorry, I had to burp. They're just gonna be in and out. I do think long and hard before I make these investments. Now I'm going into all my other shit. Basically, I know y'all have seen these little Chanel shoes on my Instagram and my story, but these are sadly not authentic. A company reached out to me and they said, we want to send you some shoes and we want you to show them in your video and show how authentic they look. And it's true, like, no one has ever questioned me on these. No one has ever thought like that they weren't authentic, and they look authentic. They have like the satin right here, they have the Chanel logo right here and here, and they have the pink. Like, I've seen pictures and I've seen them in person also, and I've worn these to like Neiman Marcus, to Saks Fifth Ave, and like no one has questioned them unless they just didn't want to come up to me about it. I don't know, but to me they look like legit. Like, I don't see any issue with them. The brand is called fashionplug.ru, fashionplug.something. I'll leave all the links down below and everything. But yeah, basically they sent me these babies. I picked them out. They have so many brands. They have like Gucci, Louis, they have Off-White, they have shoes and clothes, and they have shoes in my size. Like, what? These, I think on their site would be like $200, like around that range. Meanwhile, in real life, they're like over $1,000. So you get good quality sneakers just for like less than half the price. So in my eyes, it's worth it. I have these one pair of glasses, and They're Dolce & Gabbana replicas, I guess. They just say D&G on the side, and these are literally my favorite glasses of all time. Like, I cannot stop wearing these. They go with so many fits. The shape of them is so cute. I got these off Depop. Like I said, don't sleep on Depop. If you fuck with a brand, just hop on Depop and you might be able to find it. Like, you never know. Next thing I copped off an Instagram seller. They were like, ooh, bag for sale, you know, $50, like hit my DM, whatever. The straps actually like broke and I had to like super glue them. I don't know if you could see, but like, yeah, I had to like super glue them back shut, but it's all good. $50, and it's cute, you know, monogram, rainbow multicolored little Louis bag, and I actually do get a lot of wear out of this, which is probably why the fucking straps broke. Oh my god, I have one other pair of glasses. These are the Chanel glasses that I've been wearing so much lately. They're just like the clear frames, and I love them and I don't at the same time. You know what I mean? Like, they just like look weird sometimes on me. Like, I guess it just depends on the fit I'm wearing, because sometimes they just look like teacher glasses. Like, I just look like I have like prescription frames on or something. These I copped at a thrift, and I don't know if they're real or not. I don't think it would be, because like, who would just like donate Chanel glasses like that? Like, I don't know. Like, if you're rich, like, I don't know. Like, can't relate. Louis V multicolored monogram. I know the real ones don't have this like bow, which is what's like the dead giveaway, so I usually just wear it like this side out. Like, I wear like this side up, but yeah, this was, I don't know, like $10-12, whatever, at the thrift. I got this little blue baby Prada, and it's like snake skin. And the thing with a lot of these dupes, they're such good quality, you kind of like don't mind, or you kind of forget that they're like a dupe, because they're just like amazing quality. They're not like flimsy and like falling apart and like all shitty quality. Like, they're pretty fucking awesome. This little Burberry bag, I actually copped this in one of my thrift hauls that you guys saw, so go on there to see how much this was, because I do not remember. Like, I know it wasn't that much. It looks like the real thing to me. Like, I don't know, maybe that's just my broke goggles on, because I can't tell what's real and what's fake. I have this Chanel bag, and these actually look like the vintage like quilted Chanel ones. I don't know, I know it's fake obviously. This one is actually not such good quality. Like, the strap is like falling apart, like it's just not looking very cute, like she's going through it, but I still fuck with it. Like, I don't care, it's not a big deal to me. I have this black leather, it says Prada on the front of it, so I just be rocking it, you know, on my fake designer shit, you know. Basically, that's how I be dripped up in all this designer, because it's not even real, sis. So there's the tee. Majority of my stuff is just like from thrift, and like I just wear it like once or twice, so it's not really worth it for me to spend like $1,000 on a bag if I'm not gonna wear it that much. Yeah, there's just like some little tips and tricks for y'all. I hope this video helped, and I don't want y'all to be like afraid to wear fake shit and think like people are gonna call you out on the streets, because like in reality no one cares. Like, if they see it and they know it's fake, they'll just be like, oh, true. Like, it's like whatever to them. Like, they don't care. I love y'all so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I love and appreciate y'all. Please get me to 50K, because I have something very exciting planned for when I reach 50K. Catch y'all in the next one.